Hello, hi, my dear students. How are you? How is your studies going on? Myself, Desai sir, your mental maths trainer. In our previous class, we learned to add decimal numbers. In today's class, we are learning how addition and multiplication are related. Let us start the topic. 1.4 Multiplication in addition. Multiplication is one of the four basic arithmetic operations, dear students. Multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition of identical group of objects. The symbol of multiplication is cross. Sometimes dot is also used. In multiplication of two numbers, say 4.3, the left number 4 is called as multiplicand. In the middle, you can see in the picture, the symbol is multiplication symbol. The right side 3 is called as multiplier, and the result or product is called as the product. Let us see application of multiplication in repeated addition. One of the basic problems of most of the students is to understand and solve statement problems in addition and multiplication. Let us study some real life examples to understand wherein you are applying multiplication in addition. Take one example. Suppose that Suresh performs 3 Surya Namaskaras per day. How many Surya Namaskaras Suresh does in 1 week? You know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. Total number of Surya Namaskaras in a week will be 3 plus 3 plus 3 so on up to 7 times. Instead of adding 3 7 times, you can use the multiplication. 7 times 3. Mathematically, we put it as 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Here, observe that you applied multiplication in addition. In mind maths, you can remember this rule also. During addition, if same number m repeats n times, then the sum will be n times m. That is n into m, like we did in the previous example. Let us see another example. Rahul saw 9 dozen of birds sitting on a tree. What is the total number of birds he saw? 1 dozen of birds means 12 birds. 9 dozen of birds means 9 times 12. And you can use 9 into 12. Total number of birds will be 108. Observe the rule is applied. Take another example. In a maths test, there are 12 questions. If a student takes 6 minutes to solve each question, how much time he takes to solve all questions? Total number of questions are how many? 12. Time to solve each question is 6. Total time required is 6 plus 6 plus 6. You must add up to 12 times. Therefore, you can write it as 12 times 6 using the rule, multiplication rule. 12 6 comes out to be 72. I hope you understood, my dear students. Let us take another example. If a person walks 3 kilometers in 40 minutes per day, how many kilometers and how much time he walked in a week? 1 week means 7 days. The total distance a person walks in a day is 3 kilometers. Total distance walked by the man in a week will be 7 times 3. That is 7 days into 3 kilometers will be 21 kilometers. The time the person walks per day is 40 minutes. Total time walked in a week is equal to number of days into time of walking per day. 7 days into 40 becomes 280 minutes. Take another example. Example 5. In 9th class of 60 students, 10 students weigh 60 kg, 20 students weigh 50 kg, and 30 students weigh 40 kg. What is the total weight of all the students? Total weight of all the students is obtained by taking 10 students weighing 60 kg each, plus 20 students weighing 50 kg each, plus 30 students weighing 40 kg each. As 10 students use the multiplication rule, 10 into 60 kg, total weight will be 10 into 60 kg, plus 20 into 50 kg, plus 30 into 40 kg. 10 into 6 becomes 600 kg, plus 20 into 50 becomes 1000 kg, 30 into 40 becomes 1200 kg. Add all of them, 1200 plus 2200 plus 600 is 2800 kg. I hope you observed the multiplication in addition. Let us take another day-to-day life example. The details of a bill in a supermarket is as follows. Noor Machow, 4 quantity, rupees 10 each. Noor spicy soup, 2 quantity, 15 rupees each. Goldie ginger, 4 quantity, 5 rupees each. Horlicks classics, 4 quantity, 5 rupees each. Goldie hand wash, 2 quantity, 10 rupees each. Patanjali Haike, one quantity 30 is. What is the total amount of the bill? To get the total amount of the bill, you have to multiply quantity with the price. Take one by one. 100 match 4 quantity, 4 and 10 rupees, 4 into 10 becomes 40. 100 spicy soup, 2 quantity, 15 rupees per piece, 2 into 15 becomes 30. Goldie ginger, 4 quantity is required, 5 piece, 4 5s are 20. Horlicks Classics, 4 quantity, rupees 5, 4 into 5 becomes 20. Goldie hand wash, 2, 10 rupees each, 2 tens are 20. Patanjali High K, 1 into 30, 30. Add them, 30 plus 20, 50, 70, 90, 120 plus 40 is 160 rupees. Like this, are you not using multiplication and addition in day-to-day life? Let us see another examples. The details of a column in a statistics problem is as follows. Generally, you come across problems like this. 120.25, 80.25, 120.25, 80.25, 120.25. Find the total of the column. You can speed up by observe that 120.25 is repeated 3 times. You can use multiplication here, 3 into 120.25. 85.25 is repeated 2 times, 2 into 85.25. Total column will be 3 into 120.25 plus 2 into 85.25. If you multiply 123s are 360, 25 3s are 75.75. 285 2s is 170 plus 25 2s is 50 decimal part. Add whole number part and decimal part separately. You get 360 plus 170 plus 0.75 plus 0.50, like you learnt in the previous class. 360 plus 170 comes out to be 530 because 470, 60 is 530. 0.75, 5.0 is 1.25. 5, 7 plus 5, 12 carry 1, take it to 1.25. Final answer will be 531.25. Observe how multiplication is applied. Take another example, my dear students. Example 8. The reading in a chemistry laboratory are as follows. Generally, you are taking the burette reading in the laboratory. These are called as the trials. Readings are like this. First trial 35.5, second trial 34.5, third trial 35.5, fourth trial 34.5. Calculate the total reading. Observe that 35.5 reading is repeated 2 times. So therefore, you can take the 2 into 35.5. 34.5 is repeated 2 times. Therefore, 2 into 34.5. Total reading will be 2 into 35.5 plus 2 into 34.5. Use distributive property. Take common 35.5 plus 34.5. Add them. 35 plus 34 is 69. 0.5 is 170. 2 into 70 is 140 cc will be the answer. Try these problems, my dear students, as usual, and practice them. Verify your answer. If you are perfect, you can continue. Let us see the summary of what all we discussed in this small topic, my dear students. Multiplication is repeated addition of identical group of objects. The symbol of multiplication is dot or cross. In multiplication of two numbers, A into B, the left number A is called as multiplicand and B is called as multiplier, and the result A cross B is called as product. Rule 1. During addition, if same number m repeats n times, then the sum will be n times m, that is n into m. Application. Multiplication in addition is applied in daily life situations like sports, exams, marketing, construction, even in the laboratory, everywhere we are using. That's all today, my dear students. I hope you enjoyed how and observed how the multiplication is applied in addition. Soon I will come with more interesting topics. Till then, study well, eat well, do exercise, be happy. Soon I will come with a new topic. Bye bye. See you.